Understanding employee retention, a key to business success. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an important business concept, employee retention. This term is crucial in the workplace, and understanding it can help you navigate the professional world more effectively. So, let's get started and explore what employee retention is all about. Employee retention refers to the ability of an organization to keep its employees and prevent them from leaving. It's a measure of how successful a company is at maintaining a stable workforce. High employee retention means that employees stay with the company for a long time, while low retention indicates that employees often leave. This concept is important because it's usually more beneficial and cost-effective for a business to retain experienced employees than to hire and train new ones. Employee retention is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures continuity and consistency in the workplace, as experienced employees are familiar with the company's processes and culture. Second, high retention rates can boost morale and productivity among staff, as they feel more secure and valued in their roles. Additionally, it helps in reducing recruitment costs. Hiring and training new employees can be expensive and time-consuming. Lastly, companies with good retention rates often have a better reputation, which can attract more talent and business. Several factors can influence an employee's decision to stay with or leave a company. These include job satisfaction, how happy employees are with their roles, responsibilities, and work environment. Work-life balance, the ability to balance professional duties with personal life. Compensation and benefits, adequate pay and benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Career growth opportunities, chances for professional development and advancement within the company. Management and leadership, the quality of supervision, including support, communication, and recognition from managers. Understanding these factors can help employers improve their retention strategies. In conclusion, employee retention is a key indicator of a company's health and success. It reflects how well a company maintains its workforce, contributing to stability, productivity, and overall business growth. We hope this video helps you understand this important concept better. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.